supposed to turn? I thought we had an advanced green.
I don't know.
I wasn't paying attention, so obviously I was just following you.
And I wasn't paying attention either because I was following the truck.
Well, we'll check later on the video.
So it may very well be that we're all fucked up. Yeah, remember kids, this is what happens when you're tired on a motorcycle. Inattentive to your surroundings.
Well, we just didn't, unfortunately, it's hard to get sleep when you're turning like you were.
Well, it's hard to get sleep when you're sleeping on a damn rock.
I was trying to be courteous for the fact that we're videoing.
Huh. Courteous?
Because you know he'll watch it at one point if we were to put it on YouTube's.
Okay, well in that case, hello! I'm talking to you, our belated guest.
What, we were guests, not him. Our hosts, you mean?
Yes. You're right. Host. As I said before, this is what happens when you're tired.
Eyelashes.
What?
Eyelashes on that truck.
Oh.
And then there's another one that says no regrets.
So you've got a female looking car and a truck that says no regrets. I hope he got his money's worth. Oh yeah, I went there. You know, it was kind of like that curvy little SUV chasing after that rigid straight truck.
That poor truck.
I know.
And then they went forth and multiplied.
Multiplied they did. And then a bulldozer came along.
Nice signal, honey.
Yeah, I realized what I did after I did it.
You know, I had to razz you.
Yeah, I know. There, is that better?
No. Shit, well, buddy. I'll catch up to you in a second, honey.
Yeah, I saw. Cut you off. I was actually expecting a bump coming across that bridge, but it was rather smooth. Unnaturally so. What the hell, Io? You're raising my expectations.
Was there a bump there or something?
No, I was waving to the biker guy across.
Oh, I didn't see. The sun is not exactly my friend.
Yeah, well, I got it too.
I know. I didn't see him. I pay too much attention to your butt, I think. I can't see your butt, but I'd like to. Wait a minute, what?
You see my butt on a daily basis.
I know. It's fantastic.
Yeah, that is your opinion. I'm sure the general public might differ. My white, hairy buttocks, yeah. No one wants to see that.
Oh, this road looks deceptively smooth, and then you get that thing.
The bump?
Oh. Yep.
Okay, there's another one.
Yep. How could you tell?
What?
You know a truck's going slow. Whoa, hello, what the fuck?
Don't know. I smell rubber.
Yeah. I heard it.
And diesel. Rubbery diesel. I'm gonna give them space because I don't know if there's any debris on the road. This idiot. What is he? Okay. So it's...
Someone looks like they're having some issues. Oh, that smells bad.
Oh yeah, they're burning oil. I was just saying, you know, get off the road, get a tow, really. Because you're going to cause an accident.
Yep. The fact that that truck got over and then immediately slammed on their brakes scared the shit out of me.
Like, you know, semis can't slow down very easily. Bump.
Come
Pump
on.
again.
It needs to buy us a lot of dinner.
I don't think it could afford us at this rate. We're getting to be an expensive date.
Menage a trois?
Very much so.
So actually, when you think about it, all these cars are hitting it. Quite the orgy is going to end up happening.
Yeah. Then we need a group discount. I feel gypped.
Yeah, and getting to meet all the different moto vloggers this weekend was pretty fantastic. Best part though, meeting Moth.
Yeah. I'm gonna put a name to a face.
Alright, so seeing we're recording this,
Handle to a face. Yeah, handle to it.
If anyone wants the best memes out there, look up Mothman47 on Instagram. We will put a link in the description.
Actually,
He
it's,
is the best. You need to follow.
Actually, it's Mothman 46.
40. I thought it was 47.
No, 46.
My numbers. I know it's Mothman. And
Yeah.
you know what?
It's pretty easy. His icon is like, well,
I just know
black.
the Moth. Best ever. So yeah, either way, his link's in the description.
Yeah. Take a peek down there. You know,
Yeah.
comments.
Way down. Ah, I guess I better put my hand over this way. Yeah.
What?
I lifted my hand up to do like the point, and I did it in front of my face, where the camera wouldn't catch it. So.
Yeah. We'll get better at that.
Yeah, we will. Because doing this is fun.
Just riding around, yakking away.
Yakking to each other, joking about, talking about our future business, which is fantastically going to be awesome. Finding potentially 18 new vendors. Well, not 18, but definitely quite a few. I have to go through my book of cards and go over the video and
That bag.
get their information. Oh yeah, a 30-pound bag of
I
catalogs.
tell you, that bag has got to be taken off at least 10 miles an hour on my bike right now. At least.
Hey, you're not carrying my backpack.
That's light compared to the stuff under the seat.
Hey,
Hey, 6 foot could agree. He picked up that bag.
he so did. It was awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're watching, you know. You know how heavy that was.
Starting at a small bag and ending off with like a pound. And the funniest part about it is when we handed him the bag the second time, it had half the stuff in it because I had handed you a smaller bag of it.
Yeah, it was a little tiny bit, yeah.
Yeah, a tiny little bag that I let you handle so you can do the videoing.
Yes. But then I was like, it was so heavy, I had to carry it 50 feet.
It was also fun having a balloon fight with Kleb. If Kleb watches this, thank you. You were awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It was such an honor meeting you. And it's also fun to see that you are exactly like you video. Please don't ever change. You're perfect the way you are.
Yep, keep the tricks a-coming.
Keep the tricks coming, and I'll send you more jokes next. I'll have some more jokes prepared next time I see you.
Oh yeah, that's right. You did lay that one.
Hey, I played jokes on him all weekend. Well, all day, I should say.
On Clap?
Yeah. Telling him his double spiral wasn't quite good enough and then he needed to repeat himself. So we did a quadruple spiral, which was fantastic. Either way, it was fantastic. It was just fun to get him to do it again.
Yeah, I could have swore he was going to hit that ATV thing behind him.
It was pretty damn close.
He got a little bit close, didn't he? I was like, oh, please don't fall over. That would not be good.
And as for the highlight of the show, meeting Sub D, amazing. It was kind of cool to be able to put a face to a voice, and also know that this person isn't just Sub D. He's a fantastic individual. Now that we've talked to everybody else, like we've heard so much about him, now that we've met him and know that all the good things we hear are true, and all the bullshit that people say, well, actually not many people say bullshit except for certain individuals, is just full of shit.
I've only heard the bits and details. Sadly, I am very uneducated in things video.
Yeah, that's our rant.
But not of my own volition, though. I always have something going on.
I would have to see it to believe it if anyone ever said he did something negative, because I don't see him hurting a fly.
No. Certainly not.
And thanks for sharing all that information. It'll make us closer fans.
Yeah. You had to have been there. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah. If you ever get a chance to meet him, take it. Even if you have to travel 3 or 4 hours to get to see him, take it.
Yeah, one acronym, SCMM. Go there. It'll be good.
Yep, next year, and we will see you all there. Whether we trailer or we ride. The decision has not been made on how we get there, just that we will be there.
And make sure to bring lots of bags of frozen peas. It will be warm. It will be toasty.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, be prepared for us, so remember every detail, because we won't be getting drunk. But we will be enjoying it.
Yeah. It's not that I wouldn't mind, it's just that I can't. You know, doctor's orders and that, blah, blah, blah. But, oh well. You learn to live without it.
Besides, it seems like so much stuff happens, it'll be fun to watch.
Oh, yes. It's like, you know, people watching at its best. You know, people of Walmart, it's got nothing on this group.